handle. It's as long as you win, so a quote is just simple. I see people roll the dice with lies, telling lies and cutting ropes like knives. Roll sandwiches, shelter, or proper shelter. Clothes on their man's back.
Pro tip 1069. If you're hungry after a few hot laps, cook some pizza on your engine.
Scared of a tattle because the tail shake like a rattle, and then they'll kiss behind like a saddle. That'll be the reason why you bleed for greed, ready to dish your own color and break next speed. You roll the dice real fast, I think you're nice, but gotta be more precise, cause I'll keep looking, you keep scheming, I'll start hooking, and you'll be screaming. Cause you keep rolling snake eyes.
All right, Austin, where are we?
We are at San Antonio Raceway doing a demo right after round 1 of Lone Star Drift. Quick recap of the weekend. Saturday morning was, last Saturday morning, okay. It started raining pretty much all morning. Kind of slowed down in the middle of the day and then rained a bunch later on. So we got a bunch of rainy practice, which felt good. I had to soften up the BCs quite a bit, pretty much all the way, and that felt really good. So we were able to get some traction. There, but after that it was all clear. We're tandeming with some 350Zs. First one spun out, we kind of like bumped into them a little bit, and the next one, boom, hit us pretty good. Thought my car was messed up. The car wasn't, because Mustangs are indestructible, apparently. Knock on some wood. We hit that car.
So this is what happened to your car.
Yeah, that's what happened to my car.
That's all that happened to Austin's car.
Got purple paint all the way up here.
Your car's a battery ram, dude.
Yeah, it is.
I'm glad you're okay.
The tank.
Still driving okay though?
Oh yeah.
The door?
Yeah, it's
That's
fine.
good.
It's all good.
Sweet.
Yeah, we went into competition. I wouldn't say too nervous. I was kind of ready to finally get into some comp driving. First round messed up. They changed the layout about an hour and a half before the comp started. My first comp run was the first time driving that new layout, and I almost hung myself. It was probably the worst run ever, but somehow we did it one more time, and then I beat that guy. I forgot his name. I forgot the next guy's name. I don't remember names too well. Beat the second guy. Fielding. That was some really good driving. I think I bobbled a little bit on the entry didn't look as clean as Fielding's, and that's probably what made him win. Then I got knocked out. Driving around, did some cool tandems. That was about it.
In true Austin fashion, coming to Houston, every single time Austin comes to Houston, something goes wrong.
Well,
Check the terminals and they're good?
Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to try and push it.
Oh, Jesus, it's stuck. You have the brake on? God damn it. Part 2 of the struggle bus saga. Not only is the battery dead, we also have a flat tire. So I was going to try to push it. Oh, here, we got that too. That's fun. So overall, pretty good weekend. We're going to go get some grub now.
Some good grub.
Yeah. And Austin will be driving again in a week. And then again in another week. So, busy schedule.
Yeah.
Hopefully not too much work to keep the car together. Luckily, Austin's car is notoriously reliable.
Yeah.
And
knock on. We don't have any wood to knock on.
we got the wood grain.
Wood.
You don't gotta tell them that. All right. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Say bye, Austin. Catch y'all later.